So guys, this gentleman just brought in this beautiful Z06, as you guys can see, for a rattle. And let me show you where the rattle is. It is freaking hilarious. So whoever had it before him was doing a tune-up, I guess, and dropped a spark plug right there. You guys see it? It's in the middle of the headers. So that's where the rattle's coming from. And what sucks is, we cannot get it out. See it rattling? That is freaking hilarious. Another day in the exhaust world, man. 1 in a million chance that a spark plug would fall all the way and go in the mid of the headers. But yeah, there it is. All right, guys, 2006 Chevy Corvette Z06. Right there, you can see the badging. It's got a cam, it's got long tube headers. Let me show you. So there's a long tube headers on it, there and there. High flow cats, there. Aftermarket X-pipe, there, 3-inch. Then it goes over the rear end and 2 stock mufflers right there with the valves in them, but the valves are not working. So he's gonna get it checked out. But he just bought it and somebody else had it and he bumped it somewhere. You see the dent in the tip right there. So it was hitting against the rear end back there. You guys can see the mark right there. So we loosened the clamp here and pushed it forward, realigned it up for him. So it's not hitting there no more. It's not hitting anywhere. It's clean, smooth, as you guys can see right there. But I said, it's a Z06. Might as well let you guys hear it with stock exhaust, with long tube headers, and high flow cats and X-pipe. 3-inch system. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. Chevy Corvette Z06. I like the license plate. Z06. That's awesome. Go ahead. He's gonna go with a Corsa Extreme or Magnum Flow. Yeah, you see how the valves don't open? So you still hear the cam. You can still hear the cam chop, but it's just quiet. Here's sound decibels. Right at 93.8. I like it. I love it. It's like they're hungry for more speed with the cab in them. I love that sound. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. I like this body style. Yeah, it's not opening up. Enjoy, guys.